Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to this channel. Welcome back to another video. Today we are in the beautiful state of Ohio. It is like raining, good old Ohio weather. And today we're going to be doing something fun. We're going to be going, well, right now I'm going to Best Buy to check on a job application that I applied for. So I'm going to see whether or not I got the job or not, because they haven't been calling me. They're still reviewing my application for over a week. So I'm gonna go in, check that out, and then later we're gonna do a photo shoot with my 4Runner here. It's kind of like a cloudy day, fog, and all that kind of stuff. So it's gonna be pretty cool. There's this abandoned road that goes super far back. I don't know how far it goes. So we're gonna be going on that today. We're gonna be taking some pictures of this car. So it's gonna be a fun day. Let's get started. Best Buy, let's go. I just got done with talking to Best Buy. My application is still under review, so it might take a couple weeks, but that'll be a fun job. A lot of electronics there and everything. But now we're headed home, getting my camera stuff, and headed out to take some pictures of this car. Alright, so the first spot we're going is this abandoned road. I drove on it once just to see how far it goes, but I didn't go that far. I just went in, looked around, and came back out. So it looks pretty cool. You'll see it. It's going to be a perfect picture for my car. And then the second place, we're going to this other road that, it's not abandoned, but nobody goes on it. So it's really cool. So stay tuned for those two. Alrighty, here it is. So it's just like this massive abandoned field, and there's this road that goes all the way back. So we're gonna see if there's a good picture of where this road goes. Alright, so I found this road right here. This is a really cool picture. The colors are beautiful. Leaves are all on the ground. So I'm gonna take some pictures right here and see how they turn out. Just got done filming with this thing right here. Oh, what a absolute horrible time doing that. I could not operate anything because it's raining outside, as you can hear and tell. My phone was wet, but I did get it after 30 tries. So now we're gonna go up a little further and see if we can get some videos. All right, we might get a picture right here with the car up like that. That should be cool. See all this water right here? I brought my drone, so I'm gonna put it up there and get a video of my car going through the water. This is gonna be pretty cool. Alrighty, I just got a ton of pictures and videos of my car. We are headed out, and we are gonna probably go to this next spot. Alright, we are at our second spot right now. Thanks to my brother for telling me to go to this spot. This is a really good spot. Look at that. I can't go on that abandoned road back there because there's that fence. I would plow through it, but I don't want my car to get broken. Alright, well, I'm editing this right now. I forgot to make an outro, but I'm going to put a montage of all the pictures and videos I took of my car, so enjoy, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.